Hello everyone, I'm 100 kilometers from Liechtenstein. Apparently I have 850 meters up, 1400 meters down. Yay! And at last, summer has arrived. It's 22. Oh, it's beautiful, it's magnificent. And this is picture postcard. The beauty just seeps into you, it really does. I just passed Landeck, and last night I slept on a bench on a cycle path next to the river, and a man said, "Well, you're not scared?" I said, "Scared of what?" I'd already checked it was okay. I got 9 lovely hours. There's the beauty that has carried me to 64 countries. Liechtenstein will be 65. Countries with the bike, 71 in person, and I think that will do for now. There's the refreshments. As ever, a big hug. Much love. Look after yourselves. Bye now.